known if it's a special tool. Yes, you can have a good clam. So this is what. Hi there, since I shared already how to grow tomatoes and some herbs, I believe now it's a high time to share again another life skill. So cheers and enjoy this video. So it's low tide, it's afternoon, and it's perfect for coastal foraging or just gonna get some clams for dinner. Nobody here, just me. So come with me. Perfect coastal foraging, you just need to have some low tide that looks like this. And then an area where there is somehow water so you can still see the clams. I don't want to dig in so much because I don't want to destroy the sand. And there's still water here, if you can see that. Still water. And then for you to know where exactly you're digging is something you have to analyze. So here there's water. There's a shell right there, so I mean to say there are already clams right here. So you just need to figure out where are they. So for example, when you look around, oh, there's another shell right there. That's already a good indicator that they are here. And as you can see in the previous video, you just need to check, oh, just look like this. Breathing two holes like kind of thing in the sand. And then when you dig it with your finger, known if it's a special tool, yes, you can have a good clam. So this is what I've got. Let me just show you. So this is what I've got so far. Some are really big, like this one. So these are like on the same kind. These are okay. This one I like this for soup. In the Philippines we call this like aninikad. Cannot see that, but just make sure they are not a zombie aninikad where there is like an umang. So you can see like blade-like thing because this is a form of, it's a kind of snail. They're a decent size. So they're just here in this area. So it's about sunset. Let me show you. So I'm just here. Nobody's here. No permit needed. No special tools needed. Just gonna hang out. Just Daco Island and Guam Island. So there is something of interest here. This one. No permit required. So we'll see if that is a clam or something. So usually clams open their mouth like that. So we will see. Let's get this. Yes, it is, but it is a very small one, so just gonna bring it back. So there is also an interesting two holes here. This one seems like two open eyes. So let's dig in if that is a shell. Yes, it is. It is a clam. It's a decent size actually. So look at this group of aninikad here. Let's see. Oh, look at this! Aninikad. So they just lie around like this. And then when you flip them, if it's not an umang, you can take a focus. Yes, this is an aninikad. Okay, now so I spotted this again. I don't want to dig in so much, so I'm just gonna put my finger dip in, cleanse it, and voila, we have a decent size clam. Yes. So this is just so easy. No permit needed, no special tools needed. Just go to sea, look for this, and you get a decent size one.